Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Chairman Senate, Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani. Speaker National Assembly, Sardar Ayaz Sadiq. Prime Minister of Pakistan, Muhammad Shahbaz Sharif. Members of the Parliament, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It is my singular privilege as your civilian president to address for the 8th time the August House at the beginning of another parliamentary year. This moment marks not only the continuation of our